Hello viewers, welcome to my channel AHP Education. Today my topic is shopping mall conversation in English. Now let's get started the topic. Salesperson, welcome to our shopping mall. Customer, thank you. Can you help me? Of course. How I can assist you? I am looking for a formal dress. Do you have any in black? Yes, we have a great collection. What size do you need? Medium, please. Here are some options. You can try them in the fitting room. Thank you. Also, do you have any discount? Yes, we have a 20% discount on selected items. That's great. I will take this one. How much is after the discount? It's originally $50. So, after the discount, it will be $40. Perfect. I will pay by card. Sure. Here's your receipt. Have a great day. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video.